Hello guys, welcome back again to another video, and today we are going to see how to increase followers, likes, comments, views on Instagram for free. But for that you have to watch the video completely without skipping, and I am sure you will definitely get some followers by the end of this video. So make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Okay, let's start the tutorial. First of all, head over to this website. Here, click on login.
Jack it up.
And make sure to log in with temporary account. Don't log in with main account. So after login, you can see you have lot of options of getting followers, likes, views, etc. And now here, change the language to English. And here at the top you can see plus 280. Just click on that. After that, you have to give the username of the account in which you want to increase followers. And click on find user. And here you can see the profile of that account. And here just put the number of followers you want to increase. And I will put 280. And click on start. And within few seconds you will get followers. And you can see here how fast I am getting these followers. So using this trick you can also get all these. So try it now and make sure to like the video and comment yes if you got the followers. And make sure to subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel. Till then, see you in the next video.
We'll be right back.